Parliament session, a copy of the signatures of the members of Parliament to bring in the impeachment motion against Justice Yashwant Verma will be handed over to the Lok Sabha Speaker shortly today. This is breaking news that's just coming in. Impeachment motion against Allahabad High Court Judge Yashwant Verma could be handed over today itself. This is breaking news that's just coming in on our channel for our viewers. The signed motion will be handed over today when it comes to the impeachment of Justice Yashwant Verma. Aishwarya Paliwal is live with me on this story. Aishwarya, big information, big news coming in. Parliamentary Affairs Minister has said that 100 MPs have signed this ouster plea. So effectively, this is coming to the Lok Sabha very shortly.
Well, definitely, because when we look at the number of MPs who have had to sign, if it would have been Rajya Sabha, then we would have had 50 MPs who would have signed this motion. But now we have 100 MPs, which means that it is the Lok Sabha where we will see this motion being moved. In fact, Manisha, just a couple of days back, a very important meeting took place at the residence of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. In this meeting, it was Rahul Gandhi, who's the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha. He was also present. Mallikarjun Kharge was present. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Kiran Rijiju, along with the Law Minister, Arjun Ram Meghwal, they were the ones who had a long meeting with regards to what needs to be done next. Now, see, when we speak about the opposition, they believe that another committee should be made now, the committee in Lok Sabha, and this is the committee which should now once again look at all the charges against Justice Verma. The government believes that a committee already has been made by the Supreme Court, and that report has already been given to the government. On the basis of that, the impeachment motion can be moved. So the next 24 hours, very, very crucial. MPs have already signed on this, and from what we understand, in the next couple of hours, this signed petition will be given to the Speaker, Om Birla.
Well, Aishwarya, stay on with me. Let's also clarify for our viewers the in-house committee report on the basis of which the CJI had sent his recommendation is one thing. But now, as the MPs are sending in their signed motion, the procedure under the Judges Inquiry Act will have to kick in. The Parliament will have to set up a committee to investigate into the issue. But let's first listen into what Kiran Rijiju had to say on this matter.
जस्टिस वर्मा केस में जो प्रोसेस है उसमें सब पार्टी मिलके करेंगे, उसमें ये सरकार का अकेला मूव नहीं है। जस्टिस वर्मा केस में जो प्रोसेस है उसमें सब पार्टी मिलके करेंगे, उसमें ये सरकार का अकेला मूव नहीं है।